Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making your Apple Watch reliable. Put it on snug so sensors read your heart and movement accurately. Once worn, make sure Bluetooth, wrist detection, and health permissions are enabled on your iPhone so data flows without gaps. Then open the fitness app to confirm or tweak move calories, exercise minutes, and stand hours. These set targets that drive daily haptics and summaries. Starting here reduces false readings and gets meaningful insight from the very first workout. Now you'll launch workouts with purpose. Pick the correct workout type so the algorithms use proper motion and heart rate models. That improves calories and pace accuracy. Once selected, set a time, distance, or calorie goal if you want structure, or start freeform for flexibility. Make sure heart rate monitoring is on and GPS is enabled for outdoor sessions. Disable power saving only when you need extra battery, since it reduces G. To finish, end the workout and immediately review the summary on your watch to check splits, heart rate zones, and calories so you know what to adjust next time. Once done, sync to your iPhone and open Fitness and Health to study trends and awards that reveal progress over weeks. If metrics are missing or look off, restart watch and phone, ensure sensors are clean, and recheck health permissions. That fixes most sync or permission-related issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.